help with the monitoring of visitors.
Meanwhile, the State Cabinet also discussed the operationalization of the PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital coming up at USTM Meghalaya. Government spokesperson and Health Minister Amprin Lingdo said that the government will have to enact an act to enable the university to start the operations of the proposed medical college and hospital. She said the government is mandated to monitor various segments like allocation of seats, fees, course, etc. She added that the cabinet will again meet next week, soon after the health department submit its plans.
Numbers of authorities like the darbars and others who are anyways entailed to help with the monitoring of visitors. So that is the first item that was taken up. The second item was the USTM. Cabinet was pleased to decide that we will not be able to allow the USTM to function without a proper act in place, because we are mandated as a state government to monitor allocations of seats, fees of courses, and we have therefore decided that cabinet will again sit after the health department brings forward its plan for the act. And on Wednesday we are scheduled to meet again with the Honorable Chief Minister and the cabinet, where we will again brief you for more information on this matter.
Tura MP Saling Sangma has downplayed